Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Keytweak in laptop. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Keytweak is a utility that allows you to remap and redefine keyboard keys on your laptop. And here's a step on how to download and install Keytweak on your laptop. So the first step would be go to the official Keytweak website to download the software, link in the description below. On the website, look for a section that provides the download link for Keytweak. It might be labeled as download, free download, or something similar. Now, click on the download link to initiate the download of the Keytweak installer. Now, locate the downloaded installer file, usually a X file, and double-click on it to run the installer. Now, save the installer file to a location on your laptop where you can't easily find it. Now, the installer will guide you through the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to install Keytweak on your laptop. After the installation is complete, you can launch Keytweak. Look for a shortcut on your desktop or find it in the Start menu. Once the Keytweak is open, you can start remapping keys on your keyboard. The interface will display a visual representation of your keyboard, and you can click on keys to remap them. After making these changes to key assignments, go ahead and click on the Apply or Write to Registry button to save the changes. In some cases, changes made the Keytweak may require system restart to take effect. And just a heads up, always download software from the official website or reputable sources to ensure that you are getting the legitimate and latest version. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.